Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. So today we are going to see one more important topic, that is Stream API in Java 8. Okay, so in the last session we have completed our java.util.function package, right? So in this Stream API we will understand various concepts regarding stream. So from the beginning, I'm saying this is a very important feature in order to work with the Stream API. So you have to be more conscious while working with this Stream API, right? So if you don't know the Stream API, then you are in the right place. Okay. So as part of this video, I'm going to explain all the details related to Stream API, right? Whatever the methods, whatever the function that is there inside the Stream API, how we are going to make use of the Stream API. So the basic overall idea I am going to give in this video, okay? And what I am going to do, I'm going to explain you what is what in this video, and followed by I will explain you what I am going to do with the coding section. I will do the coding with the IntelliJ idea to show you like how the Stream API actually works. Before jumping into the coding section, let me explain you what we are going to cover as part of the Stream API. Okay, so what I'm going to show you, I'm going to discuss here is like what is a stream. First, I will explain what is a Stream API. What do you mean by Stream API? Okay. Then I will discuss the Stream API, the part of which package of Java 8. Okay, so it's a package of util or function or what kind of. Okay, so this then I will show you java.util.stream package. What exactly that is there inside the stream package. Okay, so after discussing this one, then I will explain you what is the features of stream. We are going to study the stream package stream, right? So what are the features if you use the stream? What are the benefits we are going to get out of the stream? Okay, so and then I will discuss what are the operations, stream operations, and what are the string significance of their operations. And before that, I forgot to mention one point here is how we are going to create. That is going to be our first point. How we can create one stream out of different sources, like sources in the sense, if I mention sources in Stream API, you can consider like array, collection like list, set, map, IO, all these things we can think of like it is the sources of the Stream API. Out of that, we are going to create the stream. Okay, that I am going to see. No need to worry. For the time being, I am discussing what is what. Just remember what we are going to study as part of this Stream API and what is what. Okay, just only consider what is what and how that we are going to take as part of the next agenda. Okay, so that I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. So then we will discuss how stream differs from collection. Before we have collection, now this is the stream. So then what is the difference between stream and collection? Okay, some people may be there to confuse you, like this kind of asking. They will ask this kind of question. Hey, can you tell me what is the difference between stream and collection API? Okay, so this kind of some tricky question they will ask. Okay, so you have to be very wise enough to answer this kind of questions. Okay, that I am going to address as part of this video, as part of this stream API. Okay, um, so then I will explain how many ways we can create the stream. Okay, this 6 number step where I will address in as part of the first topic. Okay, this should not be sixth, this should be our first we will get to know how we can create the stream. Okay, from the various sources. So we will study how we can create the stream. Okay, that we are going to study as part of the first concept. Then how many intermediate the stream consists of. Whenever we are going to work with a stream, there are many operations that is there. One is terminal operation, another one is intermediate operation. Okay, what is terminal operation, what is intermediate operation, and we are going to work with a pipeline. What is a pipeline? I can say, just remember, pipeline is something that is a combination of intermediate operation and terminal operation. And don't worry how we are going to work with the intermediate operation and how we are going to terminal operation, and what is the meaning of this intermediate operation and what is the meaning of terminal operation, that we are going to see in detail. Okay, without this terminal and intermediate operation, I can say stream API is nothing. If you don't study intermediate and terminal operation, there is no meaning of studying stream API. Okay, I'll explain you intermediate and terminal operation in detail. Okay, going forward. What are intermediate operations? Okay, intermediate operation. What is intermediate operation? Intermediate, by the name, you might have got to know that intermediate while performing some operation, in between operations we are going to perform. For example, we are having a list. Okay, collection list. Then some operation we are going to perform. Okay, in that case, so whatever the operation in between we are going to perform, that is nothing but intermediate operation. Okay, which are going to give you some kind of result. Okay, that is the intermediate operation. Okay, another one I have told terminal operation. I'm telling terminal operation means it is going to return you a primitive value or a object. Okay, or it may return nothing. That kind of operation we can say terminal operations. Okay, just remember. And what are terminal operations, and that I am going to discuss. Okay, stream API, I am going to explain stream API in detail with example. No need to hurry. Okay, and real-time use case with stream API. I'm going to after discussing 10th point stream API in detail with example. Once you understand the stream API is terminal operation and intermediate operation, how we will work with the stream API. Once you understand, then I'm going to provide 11th point real-time use case with stream API. How we can make use of the stream API in real time while working with a project, while working with the Java8 feature stream. Okay, that we are going to study. Okay, then interview bits on stream API. Whatever the interview related questions, um, and at the end, I'm going to discuss the interview bits on stream API. Okay, so whenever you will go for to attend some interview, then there might be some questions, right, related to stream. What are the kinds of stream API questions related to interview perspective, and how you are going to address the stream API interview related questions, that I'm going to address. Okay, at the end of this tutorial. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to discuss. Okay, before working with the stream API, I will recommend you to people to watch my Java 8 previous videos, like what is mean lambda expression, functional interface, method reference, all these stuffs. And basically I will focus java.util.function package, that whatever I have already covered. If someone have not visited, or he or she can visit. And so if you see all these related java.util function, whatever the things I have discussed over there, then working with stream API is going to be easy for them. So that link I'm going to provide in the comment section, so someone can refer. Okay, now we are going to discuss each of the sections one by one in detail. Okay, then we'll jump into the coding section. Okay, what do you mean by stream API? What is stream API? Java provides a new additional package in Java 8 called java.util.stream. This is a package. Okay, whatever the stream we are going to use, that is resides inside java.util.stream. So as we have studied java.util function package, okay, there we have seen like predicate functions, supplier, consumer, all these things we have seen as part of java.util function package. Similarly, this stream API belongs to java.util.stream. If we are going to work with the stream API, then we need to import this package java.util.stream. Okay, so this package consists of, actually this stream package java.util.stream package consists of multiple interfaces, classes and enums. Okay, which will provide functional style of operation on the stream of elements. Basically, stream API is used to process collection of data with the help of stream. Okay, for example, we have one kind of list, set or something collection object. collection object is having some collection data, right? One object. So in order to process that, we can make use of stream. Okay, so how we will see. Okay, we can use stream by at this point I have already covered. We can use whenever we are going to use the stream, then we have to import, mandatorily we have to import this stream. Okay, if I say one example, like this is a list I have taken of a string type Alex Smith, all these things, all these names I have taken as a list. Then I'm performing this stream. Okay, how we can create this stream out of the resource? Here I have taken the resource as list. Okay, resource as list. Here I have taken the resource as list, but we can take any kind of resource, right? It may be a set, map, array, IO channels, anything. It can be anything. Okay. For the time being, I have just taken one example of list. Okay. Out of that, I am calling the stream to create the stream out of the list. Then what I am doing, I am mapping. I am mapping. What is map and all? We are going to see later. But just understand what I am doing. I am just mapping the element, each and every element of this list, and from the each and every element I'm making the toOpper, and I'm collecting that by using the collector.toList method. Okay, what it is going to do, it is going to return me one result of uppercase string. Okay, it's a list. It is going to return me one list of uppercase string. Okay, so that we are going to see. This is how we can create like for example I have given how we can create the string. Okay, so this is how we can work with the play around this stream API. Okay, so there are many ways are there we can create and we can work with the stream API, that we are going to see. For the time being, I have shown you this example. Okay, so now it's the time to learn about what we can some important points on stream. Okay, some important points on stream. Okay, so as I have said, on the list object, on the list we have created the stream out of the list. Okay, then we are performing some operation, these operations. Okay, so this is a collection, list is a collection which stores, this list stores all these elements. Okay, the purpose of the collection is that it will store the objects, but wherever we are working with the stream, this stream will operate on the collection, but it will not going to store any kind of data. Okay, whatever the data we are having in the list, this collection is used to store the elements. But here whenever as part of the stream is not going to store any kind of data. What it will do, it will just process that data. Okay, just remember, stream does not store any elements. The first point is stream does not store any elements. Stream simply process the data structure like RL is set. Okay, stream does not modify the source. Whatever the main source, that is the list, whatever the list is there, small case this string things. Okay, string list. So this is not going to be modified. Okay, what it will do on the fly on the stream, what it will do, it will modify, it will just operate on the list, and it will provide the another stream. Okay, whenever we are going to perform some operation on the stream, what it will do, it will just operate on that stream and it will return a new stream. Okay, and it will not modify the source. Okay, whatever the list we have, the list having Alex Smith, all these things with the small letters. Okay, that is not going to be changed. Okay, what we are doing, we are just collecting this collective. We have used map, we have used this kind of operation we are going to use with the stream API. Okay, so now we will see what are stream operation and what is the significance of their operation. Okay, as I have mentioned, there are two kinds of operation there. One is terminal operation, another one is intermediate operation. Okay, the stream operations are divided into two categories like terminal operation, another one is intermediate operation. These are the two operation, basic, fundamental and very much important these two operations are. Okay, so we have to give more focus while learning terminal operation and intermediate operation. Now I am going to explain what do you mean by terminal operation, what do you mean by intermediate operation. Okay, basically I can say the operation on a stream which returns another stream are called intermediate operation. In another way, I can say intermediate operations are the operations if we perform some kind of operation on a stream. Okay, for example, we have taken one list as a stream. If we perform some operation, it is going to return me some result. Okay, so in our previous example, we have seen that we have taken a list and we have created the stream out of that list, and we are mapping and collecting to a list that is going to return another stream. Okay, that type of operation, this is going to it return, it return one result. That means that is returning another stream. Okay, that kind of operation we can say intermediate operation. Okay, and another one is the terminal operation, the operation on stream which returns primitive values, object or collection, or return nothing, that is called terminal operation. Okay, so for example, we have a list of numbers or array of numbers 2 3 4 5 6. We want to find the average or max of the out of these arrays, or mean of what is the minimum number from this array. So that time we are going to use the mean or max function. Okay, that is the terminal operation. Okay, so this kind of it is going to give one primitive. If for example we have 2 3 4 5, this is the array. Okay, so we are getting the minimum is 2 and maximum is 5. As a result, what we are getting just a primitive value. That if that kind of result we are going to get, then that operation is nothing but the terminal operation. I hope this is clear. Okay, so intermediate operation and terminal operations are combined to form stream pipeline. Okay, so there is a list. So what we are doing, we are performing like map we have done. So map we have used, that map is a nothing but a intermediate operation. What it will do, it is going to return one uh, another stream. Okay, another stream. So on that, if we want, we can perform another operation also, intermediate operation, not the terminal operation. Okay, so but whenever we are using the collect is finally we are getting the terminal operation. Okay, we have provided the terminal operation, we got the result. Okay, right? So that is the terminal operation. So where we have performed, basically what I mean to say here is, like, we have performed two kind of operation. One is map, and then in the previous example, just remember, in the previous example we have done just map and then collect. Okay, so we have performed one intermediate operation, and this is the terminal operation. Two types of operation we have performed, so in a sequence, right? So that is the that what we can say, that is the stream pipeline. In a pipeline we are performing multiple operation, intermediate operation and terminal operation we have used, so that we can say that is a stream pipeline. Okay, so whenever we are working with the stream, there may be many intermediate operation, but there has to be only one terminal operation. Okay, and terminal operation, that too at the end of the pipeline. Whenever we are working with the stream API, there may be a chance that at least we can use I mean to say, we can, there is a chance that we can use many intermediate operations, but there will be only and only terminal operations. Okay, that and that too at the end of the pipeline. Okay, so this is the things I just wanted to tell you. Okay, so intermediate operations are lazy. Okay, for example, we have performed some intermediate operation on the list or the some kind of resources. For example, we have performed some operation on a source like collection. We have created the stream out of that collection, and we have performed some intermediate operation. Uh, okay, then that is not going to execute until and unless we call the terminal operation. Okay, that is why we can say intermediate operations are lazy. Okay, before that it will store on the memory. Whenever we call this terminal operation, then only that intermediate operations are going to be executed. Okay, and intermediate operations are only transfer from one stream to another stream. Whenever we call intermediate operation, what it will do, it will generate new stream. it is going to create another stream instead of the previous whatever the stream we have. If you call intermediate operation, then it is going to generate another new stream. Okay, and only in the case of terminal operation we are going to get the end result. Okay, but intermediate, remember one thing, intermediate result will give another new stream, whereas terminal operations are give only end result. Okay, or end result means after writing the terminal operation we cannot perform any kind of operation on that stream. Okay, okay, I'm going to explain some of the terminal operations. Okay, what are they? We'll see one by one. I can say any match, that is a terminal operation, all match, non-match. What is the purpose we are going to see in the coding section, but for the time being, I'm just introducing. I'm just introducing what are the terminal operation for the benefits of you. So whenever I am working with the example, then you should not feel that so all of a sudden where this method came. Okay, right? In order to familiar with the whatever the operation that is there inside the stream API, that I am just introducing to you people. Okay, just remember we have any match method, all match method, how and what is the working of this, what purpose they are using, that I'm going to, and that I'm going to address as part of the coding section. Okay, so collect, count, findAny, findFirst, forEach, mean, max, reduce, toArray, like this kind of terminal operation we are going to see, and we are going to work individually, like with in detail example. Okay, once you understood all these concept on these terminal operations and intermediate operation, I am going to provide you. I will not leave you after giving one example on each and everything. Then I am not going to leave you there. Okay, and finally what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you one real-time example end to end. Okay, so then only your stream API concept is going to clear. Okay, then I can say you will be perfect on stream API. Okay, and then I'm going to discuss example on intermediate operation. What is the intermediate operation? Are there filter, map, flat map, distinct, sorted, pick, limit, skip? These are the intermediate operation that we are going to see as part of the stream API course. Okay, and how stream and lastly I just wanted to discuss one thing, how stream differs from collection. This is going to be one interview related questions, right? How stream differs from collection. Okay, just tell me what do you mean by collection and where exactly collection is going to fit. Okay, what you will say, collection are used to work with the objects, right? So how we are going to work with the collection? Collection is a in-memory data structure. That is a data structure which holds all the values that data structure currently has. Okay, for example, we are working with the list is a collection, and set is a collection, map is a like collection. So whenever we are working with this kind of collection framework, okay, so these collections are going to holds the data. Actually, these collections are going to hold the data, but whenever we will talk of as part of the stream, it is not going to hold the data. Basically what I can say, collection is a data structure, whereas stream is not a data structure. Collection holds the data, actual data, whereas the stream will process the data out of the collection. Okay, it will not store the data. Okay, every element in the collection has to be computed before we add to the collection operation. So whatever the operation we are going to perform on the collection, insertion, sorting, searching, manipulation, deletion, these kind of operation we are going to perform on the collection. Okay, but on the other hand, stream API is introduced as part of Java 8. Collection stores the data, whereas stream process that collection data. Okay, it will not store the data. a stream is a sequence of objects, okay, that supports various methods which can be pipelined to produce desired result. This point I have already addressed. The stream API is used to process collection of objects, okay. A stream is not a data structure. At this point I have already told you that collection is a data structure, whereas a stream is not a data structure. It will instead, what it will do, stream will take the input from the collection or the IO channels or array, any kind of sources. It will take the stream API. The stream will take the inputs from these sources, and what it will do, it will just perform the operation. That is the job of the stream, okay. Stream does not change the original data structure. This point already I have addressed before, okay. Okay, so that is all about the collection and stream difference, okay. After this much of explanation, you can, I hope you can give some information to the opposite person, right? What is a collection, what is a stream, and what operations we are going to perform on collection, what operation we are going to perform on stream, who stores data, who will not store the data, who is a data structure, who is not a data structure, okay. That answer you can give to the opposite person, okay. That's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video directly on the coding section. There we'll understand each and every concept with detailed example, okay. How to create the stream from various sources like array, stream, IO channels. So how we can work with, how we can create the, basically I'm going to demonstrate how we are going to create the stream and how we can work with the stream API, okay. These kind of things we are going to see in our next video, okay. So that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next section, okay. Thank you.